हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मन से मैथ। आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ 7th स्टैंडर्ड की बुक का चैप्टर लाइंस एंड एंगल्स 16B एक्सरसाइज। ये मैंने ऑलरेडी इसके सम सॉल्व किए हुए पहले वाली वीडियो में। ओके, इसी के कुछ नेक्स्ट पार्ट्स में सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ। 16B के 6th सम का 7th and 8th part I am going to solve here. Okay, so see in the 7th sum, these two are the parallel lines and these two are the transversal lines. You will have to find x, y, z, p, q. Okay, see, first see here, these two angles are vertically opposite, means y will be equal to 110. The reason is vertically opposite angle. Okay, y is done. Okay, now see the relation here. These are the two parallel lines. This is the transversal line. Okay, two parallel lines like this one. Okay, these are two parallel lines. This is a transversal line. What would be these two angles? These two angles will be co-interior angles, and we know that co-interior angles are supplementary. Means P and 120. These two are the parallel lines, and this is the transversal line. Means 120 and P are the co-interior angles. Okay, because P and 120 degree are co-interior angles, then what would happen? We know that the co-interior angles are supplementary, means their sum will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, P is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Okay, this is also done. P is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so these are two parallel lines. Again see, okay, these are two parallel lines. This is a transversal line. Here is P, here is X. What would be the relationship between these two angles? Which type of these two angles are? These two lines are the parallel. This is a transversal line. This is X, this is P. Okay, so these two angles are within the parallel lines and on the opposite side of transversal line. Means these two angles are alternate interior angles. Means X will be is equal to P. X is equal to P for this sum. Okay, X is equal to P. That means X is equal to P we have calculated as 60 degree. Okay, so this is also done. Then what is left there? Again see, two parallel lines. Okay, this is a transversal line. What would be the relationship between these two angles? Which type of these two angles will be? Okay, these are two parallel lines. This is a transversal line. What would be the relationship between these two angles? These two angles, this and this. Here is 120 and here is Q. These two angles will be equal. Why? These are the corresponding angles. Okay, means Q will be equal to 120 degree. The reason is corresponding angles. Okay, Q is also done. Okay, Q is done, P is done. Okay, and Y is done. What is left there? X is done. Okay, this Z is left. Z is left. See beta. So you can take this as angle. This you can take as angle 1. Okay, so these two are the parallel lines. Okay, see here, these two are the parallel lines. Okay, and this is the transversal line. This angle is 110 degree. This angle I have taken as 1. Okay, this angle 1 and this angle is 110 degree. Which type of these two angles are? These two angles are co-interior angles. Okay, means angle 1. Okay, if you want to give some other name, you can give it T also. Otherwise with 1 you can be confused. Okay, so T, suppose this is T. Okay, T and 110, both are T and 110 are co-interior angles. Then what would happen? T plus 110 will be equal to 180 degree because co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, means that T will be equal to 180 degree minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. If T is 70, so will be Z because Z is the vertically opposite angle of T. Okay, after this follow the arrow. Okay. This is a solution of the seventh part itself. This we will discuss later on. Okay. So here Z will be equal to T. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay, means Z is equal to 70 degree. Thus we have calculated all the unknown angles of this figure. Okay. I would like to repeat again for this part. Okay, why we have equated with this vertically opposite angle. Okay, and here we have applied co-interior angles 120 and p plus 120 is equal to 180, that means p will be equal to 60 degree. Here we have applied alternate interior angles. Okay, then here again we have applied corresponding angles. Okay, then Z was left. Z is not having any coordination with the other angles, so I have taken its vertically opposite angle as T. Okay, now I know that these two angles are co-interior angles. Their sum will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, means that T plus 110 is equal to 120 degree, means T will be equal to 70, so will be Z. Hope this sum is clear to you. Okay, which properties we have used? Vertically opposite, co-interior angle, corresponding. Okay, and we haven't used alternate interior. X is equal to P. We haven't written the reason here. No, X is equal to P. Why? X and P. Alternate interior angles. Write the reason here also. The reason is alternate interior angles. Okay, vertically opposite angle, co-interior angle property is used twice, and then corresponding angles and alternate interior angles. Hope this sum is clear to you. After that we will solve this figure I have already drawn. Now I will do the solution of the 8th part of 6th sum. So here also some angles are given, x, y, z. You need to find these unknown angles, and what else is given there? These two are the parallel lines. Okay, these two are the parallel lines, and this is the transversal line. Okay, so what would be the relationship between these two angles? These two are the parallel lines, and this is a transversal line. These two angles will be alternate interior angles. Okay, so these two will be same, means y will be equal to, here y is given, here 75 is given. Okay, means y is equal to 75 degree. The reason is alternate interior angles. Okay, what else is given? What next you can use here? Okay, see, these two are, again see, these two are the parallel lines. Okay, and this is the transversal line. So what would be the relationship between these two angles? I would like to draw it again. Okay, so for the next, these two are the parallel lines. Okay, these two lines are the parallel lines, and this is the transversal line. So what would be the relationship between these two angles? Okay, this one and this one. what would be the relationship between these two? Okay, this full is this part is z and this much part is 75. This full will be z plus 75. Okay, and here is 112 degree. Okay, so these two parallel lines and this transversal line means we will equate this angle with this full angle. One part was z, the other was 75. The full will be z plus 75. Which type of these two angles are? These two angles are corresponding angles. Okay, means I will write z plus 75 degree is equal to 112 degree. You will write corresponding angles. Okay, z is equal to 112 degree minus 75. Okay, 112 minus 75, it will be equal to 37 degree. Okay, 37 degree. So z we have calculated as 37 degree. So z is done. So what is left there? X. So I know that you can write linear pair property. Okay, or you can write the sum of the angles on the straight line. Okay, so now z plus 75 degree plus x will be equal to 180 degree. I will write here linear pair, or you can write angles on a straight line. Z we have calculated as 37. 37 plus 75 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, that means 112 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, x is equal to 180 degree minus 112. Okay, 180 minus 110, 70 minus 2, 68 degree. Okay, so all the angles we have calculated. This is y, z and x is 68 degree. Okay, y we have calculated by using alternate interior angle property. Z we have calculated by corresponding angle. Okay, and x we have calculated by using linear pair property. Okay, hope this is also clear to you. So see the next ninth part of sixth sum from the same exercise. Ninth sum figure is given by these two are the parallel lines, okay, and this is a transversal line. First see the first transversal line. Here they have given 115 degree, here they have given A. Okay, what is the relationship between these two? These two are co-interior angles, and they means we know that the co-interior angles are supplementary, means A plus 115 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, co-interior angles, you will write the reason. Co-interior angles means A will be equal to 180 minus 115 degree. Okay, 180 minus 110, 70 minus 5, 65 degree. Okay, so next figure they have given by this. Here they have given 120 and here they have given C. So which type of these two angles are? These two angles are co-interior. Again, we will use co-interior angle property here. Means C plus 120 degree, here is 120 degree, is equal to 180 degree. Same reason, co-interior angles. Means C is equal to 180 minus 120. C is equal to 60 degree. Okay, C is also calculated and B is here in between. And if we note sum of angles, sum of all the angles on a straight line, okay, is equal to 180 degree. You can write the linear pair also. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. In sum of the angles on the straight line, you can write linear pair also. Okay, A we have calculated as 65 degree, B we need to calculate, write it as it is, and C is 60 degree. 180 degree, 60 plus 65, 125 degree plus B is equal to 180 degree. B is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. 180 minus 120, 60, 60 minus 5, 55, means B is 55 degree. Thus we have calculated all the three unknown angles A, B and C. Okay, here also we have used co-interior angle property, here also co-interior angle property, and here we have used linear pair property. Okay, hope whatever I have explained to you today, that is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.